Master those difficult, intricate cuts, increase your blade life, and improve your cutting with Sawblade.com's industrial aftermarket guide upgrade kits. I'm Celeste, and this is the top-of-the-line Delta 14-inch Hex Post with Micro Adjuster Bandsaw Guide Upgrade Kit. We engineered this guide kit to minimize problematic vibrations and reduce damaging heat caused by friction, resulting in this economical, easy-to-install add-on that will produce more power and give you better results than the competition. This professional kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid high-grade aluminum and utilize performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with two front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All three bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This particular kit features a tool-less micro-adjustable guide. This feature makes it easy to make modifications and change blades quickly. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and is for users with Delta 14-inch saws that have a hexagonal upper guide support post. This quality kit comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide blocks, precision bearings, and blade guard. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Delta aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing that you are getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, Product Specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.